Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix any bug on your WhatsApp. These two solutions, which I'm going to show you, will mostly fix most of your problem which is on your WhatsApp, alright. So for the first one, what you want to do is check your Wi-Fi, cause sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem. So if your Wi-Fi is not the issue, then the next thing what you want to do is check if there's any update available for WhatsApp. Just go on your App Store, and then just go and search at the bottom right, and then search for WhatsApp to see if there's any update. My WhatsApp says open, which means it's already up to date. But in your case, if it shows you update instead of open, click on the update button to update it. And after updating your WhatsApp, if it's still not fixed, then the next thing, what you can do is just go on your phone setting. Inside your phone setting, scroll all the way down until you see WhatsApp. Once you see WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp. And from over here, what you want to do is make sure where it says, contact, it is turned on, and your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then the next thing you can do is inside of your settings, go on where it says General and iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you want to find WhatsApp again. Now once you find WhatsApp, what you want to do is click on it. So let me find WhatsApp, but this is it. This is WhatsApp. I will click on it, and then click on Offload app, and click on Offload app. Once you uploaded WhatsApp, you need to reinstall it again. So click on Reinstall app. Under WhatsApp will be installed, and if it's still not fixed, then the last option is just delete the WhatsApp app and reinstall that again. If you do that, the bug will be deleted along with the WhatsApp, and when you reinstall it again, the bug will not be installed, and a problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can fix your any WhatsApp bug issue. If you guys found her video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. See you guys next time.